Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pharma Dive. Today I am going to talk about quality assurance department in pharmaceutical industry. Introduction. Quality assurance ensures that pharmaceutical products are consistently produced and controlled. It also ensures compliance with regulatory requirements. QA is a system-oriented function focused on prevention rather than detection. Quality assurance is defined as a wide-ranging concept covering all matters that individually or collectively influence the product quality. It ensures products are safe, effective, and of high quality. Let's see objectives of QA. QA ensures product quality and patient safety. Compliance with regulatory guidelines. It minimizes the risk and deviations. It maintains documentation and traceability. Continuous improvement in processes. Most important, it builds the consumer trust. Organization structure of quality assurance. It involves the head of quality, QA officers, documentation team, validation team, and training coordinator work together to ensure quality, compliance, proper documentation, validated processes, and trained personnel in the pharmaceutical industry. Key responsibilities of quality assurance. Approval of raw materials, packing materials, then developing and maintaining SOPs. Third one is review of batch manufacturing record and batch packing records. Fourth is handling deviations, corrective and preventive actions, change controls and market complaints. Then validating all the processes and equipments. Training and competency programs. Ensuring good manufacturing practices, conducting audits and inspections. And finally, batch release, final approval before product reaches the market. Quality assurance overall workflow. When the raw materials are received, they are inspected. If they passed all the tests, then they are approved. Then manufactured with in-process checks, reviewed through batch records, tested for quality, and finally released by QA for product distribution. Now let's see QA versus QC. Quality assurance is process oriented, it prevents defects, it is system based approach and documentation and audits. Quality control is product oriented, it detects defects, it is testing based approach and it involves laboratory testings. Documentation in QA. It involves SOPs, BMR, BPR, validation protocols, change control records, deviation reports and audit reports. Now let's understand the batch release process. After the BMR BPR reviewed by QA, QC testing is completed to verify the product quality. If the results are within specification, then QA approves the batch release and product is dispatched to the market. If the results do not meet the specification, an investigation is initiated to identify the root cause. Based on the investigation, the batch may be rejected or sent for processing as per regulatory guidelines. Good manufacturing practices ensures consistent production quality. It covers personal hygiene, equipment qualification, documentation, and facility designs. Regulatory bodies enforce GMP compliance. Validation activities are process validation, cleaning validation, equipment validation, analytical method validation, and it ensures reproducibility and reliability. Deviation management. It involves identification of deviation, root cause analysis, corrective and preventive actions, and documentation and closure. Investigate any unexpected outcome and implementing corrective and preventive action to mitigate the risk and ensure compliance. Change control. It is a systemic approach to manage changes in process equipments and raw materials. The types are minor change, major change, and critical change. It ensures no impact on product quality. Audits and inspections. First is internal audits, then external audits, regulatory inspections. It helps to identify the gaps and improve compliance. Training and development. Regular GMP training, SOP training, and skill development ensure a competent workforce and consistent product quality. Risk management involves identification of risk, risk analysis and evaluation, risk control measure, and continuous monitoring. Challenges in quality assurance are regulatory changes, data integrity issues, human errors, maintaining documentation accuracy, handling deviations effectively, and keeping up with new technologies. Importance of quality assurance. It ensures patient safety, it maintains company reputations, it complies with all the regulatory guidelines, and it also reduces the product recall. When quality assurance is done correctly, it gives confidence to consumers, product testing, and allows companies to advertise their products without worries. The primary purpose of quality assurance is to ensure the production of high quality, safe, and effective pharmaceutical products and services for the patient. Conclusion. Quality assurance plays a critical role in pharmaceutical manufacturing. It ensures high quality, safe, and effective medicines are produced. Continuous improvement is essential for success. Thank you everyone for your attention. This channel is purely for educational purposes and aims to provide valuable information. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Let's explore, learn and gain together.